Troy here at Mills GM in lovely Baxter, Minnesota. Who doesn't replace their plow truck when it comes fall? So let's take a peek-see. The new 6.6 gas, it is paired with the Allison transmission. Yes, they brought back that combination. We did not spare from safety. We do have the upgraded mirrors with those beautiful LED backup lights. We have bed-mounted outlet. We have a cab-mounted outlet to supply all your power needs out on the job field. I like all HDs. That was 30 years in the making.